Let's It's time to play. It's time to play. It's time to play. Mom.
Hello, testing the microphone. Hello. I can't see. Let me try. Say heart. Come, let's do it this way. Let me try another. Hello. Let's go to the bedroom. Yay! Lero, don't use that thing on this body. So, I need to get serious. Close the door and go.
But if we don't do the door.
If you want to pee, go and pee. Why are you holding yourself? That's my plan B. I think I'll use the other mic. Thank God I have another mic. Use the other mic. But then this mic is not going to give me what I want. Oh my God. If I was not determined to be consistent and this thing now, it will just make me give up on making this video today, because this can be really frustrating. Imagine getting ready and mic will not be an issue. So on my content journey, microphone has always been my issue. From one issue to the other, one fault to the other. The first mic I got, that was how that one frustrated me. And I got the second one. And then this one again. What's the problem? Is it from me? This is definitely not from me, because I did all the setup. It's so frustrating. Bobo, can you excuse me now? Let me get serious. I'm trying to set up. Okay. So I'll need to get serious. Okay. I've said this over and over again. Okay, but you come back. Shut the door and go, please. I'll call you when I'm done. What are you addressing your auntie as? What? She will open. Tell her I said let her open the door for you. Don't worry, when I'm done I'll call you, okay? Don't cry. Baba, did you hear me? Don't cry, okay? Are you crying? Eh? Come. Is this not my... Okay. Please help me, please. Okay. Bye. I love you.